Hey guys, if you haven't seen it yet, GPT 5.1 just dropped today. I want to talk a little bit about what OpenAI has told us about it so far. We'll take a look at the two new models that have popped up, as well as how we're going to go and upgrade our Copilot agents so that they're using the newest model and which one to use. So here's our patch notes from OpenAI. Scrolling down, you'll notice that there's two distinct new models that they're implementing. So that's GPT 5.1 Instant and 5.1 Thinking. Instant is more related to, I think, people who are using just like the ChatGPT app. So this is just like the conversational agent. Whereas 5.1 Thinking is what we're actually going to want to upgrade all of our agents to because it uses kind of some advanced reasoning models. It takes a little bit longer, but our prompts that we use for our Copilot Studio agents are quite long and can be quite complex. So this is the one we're going to upgrade to. Now, you can save yourself the time. I've read through all the patch notes here for 5.1. Nothing groundbreaking coming, to be totally honest with you, which is slightly disappointing, I would say. However, it's a 0.1. It's not it's not GPT 6 that's coming out, so I understand it. I just always have very high hopes for what's coming. It's just some fine tuning and some advancement in kind of how fast things are processing and the complexity of the prompts that they can actually go and complete. So yeah, I think it's okay. It'll be interesting to see how it does in our Copilot Studio agents. So let's go and upgrade our agent, and I'll show you what that looks like. So clicking over to Copilot Studio, I've just clicked on one of the out-of-the-box agents here. This is the D365 Sales Close agent. So this is one of the out-of-the-box ones that gets loaded into your system if you have something like a sales CRM. So clicking on an agent, you'll be brought over to the overview where you get some details about it. They've brought the agent model right on the overview page, so it's super easy for us to go and select. Right now, all the agents that get created are defaulted to GPT 4.1. I would obviously encourage you to upgrade to the latest and greatest model because the way that it's gone so far is they'll eventually all be on that model. So it's always good to just build on the model that you're going to get the most runway out of. So if we select our GPT 4.1 here, you'll see a whole list of options now. You'll see our reasoning from GPT-5, and then we'll see our reasoning from GPT 5.1. So 5.1 is the one we're going to want to use. All you have to do is go ahead and select it, and then you can go and select Publish in the top right here, and your model is going to be using the 5.1 reasoning. One other thing I want to mention is that if you don't know already, they've also introduced Claude as a selectable model. So this just has to be enabled by your admin group if you want to use it on your Copilot Studio agents. I haven't done a whole lot of testing with it yet. I'm actually doing a test with it tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But right now, I would just suggest using GPT 5.1 if you have it available. Just a note, if you're not in a US region, you may see it slowly rolled out. So if you're in Canada, like myself, you might not see 5.1 quite yet, but generally it comes a couple weeks after. So just be patient, it's going to come, and then you can go and upgrade your agents. That's it for today, guys. I just wanted to quickly go over kind of some of my high-level thoughts on 5.1. I don't think it's going to be anything groundbreaking for us. However, I do think it's worth it to go and upgrade any of your existing agents to the 5.1, just so you can use some of those new capabilities and potentially get a bit better performance. We've got new Copilot tutorials coming out quite quickly, but just let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys want to see. And of course, if you can subscribe, like, all that stuff, it's greatly appreciated as we're, small channel, but we're looking to grow quite quickly here. So thanks everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.